For the first year student who appeared in JET 2020 in February and joined FTII this year in the month of January 2021, I'm being told that FTII is expected to start their academic session online from 30th of March plus minus 5 days here and there. SRFTI is starting online classes from 15th February 2021 for the same first year batch. This is the information I have received through one of the selected candidate in SRFTI. Now the million-dollar question is, when are they announcing the next JET examination date? To find out that, one need to understand the hostel availability for the new students in FTI, and the same is valid for SRFTI also. The senior most batch in FTI is 2017 who are doing 3-year course. They would need to complete their semester 5 and semester 6 and they would graduate on 30th January 2022 if their campus classes begin this month. This way, 5 courses student would make 50 seats available in the FTI hostel. Next batch who are studying in FTI is 2018 batch who are also doing 3-year course. Now this particular batch need to complete 3 semesters, semester number 4, 5, 6 before they pass out on 30th July 2022. This way, these 5 courses would make another 50 seats available in FTI hostel. Another batch who is studying in FTI is 2-year batch of acting as well as screenplay writing who joined FTI in August 2019, which means last to last year. Now this particular batch need to finish their 3 semesters, semester 2, semester 3, semester 4, and they would graduate next year in the month of July 2022. This way, another 22 seats would be available in FTI hostel. Another batch who is studying in FTI is the television wing people who are 1-year students, and they are 40 students. They need to complete their semester 2, which is if the classes start now, they would finish their session on 30th July 2021 this year. If that happens, the another 40 seats would be available in the FTI hostel. Now 40 seats which are available on 30th July 2021 can be offered to the first year of January 2021 of this year who has joined either 2-year or 3-year course in FTI. But if the FTI calls these first year student in campus on 30th July 2021 this particular year, they need to have 50 seats for 3-year and 22 seats for those who have joined 2-year program, which means acting and screenplay writing. So that out of 72 candidates, FTI can choose 40 students either on the lottery system or through some other mechanism and offer the hostel to them, and rest of the student can stay outside. That's one of the solution. The next 50 seats will be available in FTI campus on 30th January 2022. Rest of the first year student who are staying outside can be offered the accommodation in FTI hostel. I'm assuming that 1-year TV wing student will stay outside FTI campus as and when they will be called, say around 30th July in the campus, as they have already finished few months online and need accommodation for the balance 6 or 7 months. Now on 30th July 2022 next year, FTI will have sufficient number of seats available in the hostel to accommodate new student who would qualify the JET, call it as a JET 2022. Because this particular year, JET 2021 is not going to happen as per the current scenario. But due to some reason, if the above mentioned batches do not pass out as expected, FTI would be again stuck. So to play safe, it would be wise on the part of FTI, they should be starting the new academic session in January 2023. Now, if this decision is taken, on an average 4,000 students who would have appeared in February 2021 would apply along with another 4,000 students who would be coming in their final year after August 2021 in this particular year. If FTI and SRFTI needs 3 months to check the answer sheet of 4,000 students, they will need around 5 to 6 months to check the answer sheet of 8,000 students. Plus 3 months are required to do orientation and interview. So exam can be conducted in the month of mid-April 2022, say around between 10 to 20 of April. JET announcement need to be done 2 months before. So you can expect it to happen between 10th to 20th February 2022 next year. Hope this makes some sense. All this is based on my personal conclusion, personal analysis of the hostel availability, and I am sure that the same is the situation roughly around SRFTI, though they are having a 2-year program instead of a 1-year program. But this would be equally applicable because both the institute work in sync, and JET is not only for FTI, but it is also meant for SRFTI. Thank you very much for watching this video.